YouTube? It's your boy Bright Life Reed. I'm editing the video that y'all watching right now. I'm also at work too, so just chill. But I'm editing the video, and I'm noticing that I had the camera pointed down a little too much. So like, I'm not really gonna get into all that, but I had the camera pointed down a little too much.
Not on the dolly. So, I got all sorts of other stuff on my dollies.
Videos that I got like of other people wheeling and stuff, it's not really that good because the camera, like I said, the camera's pointed down too much. But I do have POV videos of me wheeling, so that's just all y'all gonna have to watch today. I ain't got no videos of nobody else. If I do come across some good enough videos of somebody in the pack, then I'll post it, but I put it in the video is what I meant to say. But I'm stuttering too much, so I'm gonna just get back to editing, bro.
Can't nobody see my face. Watch this, I bet he don't even know who I am. Told you he don't know who this is.
Hold on, bitch. What she took?
Hey, Dave and Jay ain't pull up yet? How the fuck? We lost them on the way here. Y'all boy don't know where Dave them went?
Yeah, I don't know.
Alright.
Bro, my shit was fogging.
Bro, this shit, I don't know why, bro, keep swinging me to the left, bro. That shit pissing me off, really. I don't know why this shit keeps swinging me to the left. Huh?
The wheel off a little bit?
I don't know. It don't even have this on the other side.
That's why. That's why.
Yo. I'm at the Willie spot. You said what? Hold on, I can't hear you. Hold on. What you said? That's what I was, y'all niggas turned. I didn't know where y'all went. I was following y'all. When I turned around, y'all probably gone. I had to follow something.
Oh, yeah. She think I'm cute. She wanna have sex.